Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very special and very exciting because I'm going on a solo day out which has been planned by ChatGPT. So those of you who don't know, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot, artificial intelligence, and I just asked ChatGPT to plan a day out for me within a budget which is £50 in the town where I live, which is Newbury. So that's the whole plan and video. So most probably I'll just stick to the plan which chatbot or ChatGPT has created for me. So yeah, I'm really very excited, and it has been divided into 3 stages: morning, afternoon and evening. So let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. So the very first item on our plan for morning is to have an affordable breakfast at a local cafe or a bakery shop. So I'm just planning to head towards McDonald's because I was craving for pancakes as well. So let's see if I'll get that. So I'm on my way to McDonald's. So the pancake was finished at McDonald's. I'm very sad, but yeah, let's head to Costa as mentioned by ChatGPT. We'll have some coffee and something from the bakery section maybe. So guys, I'm done with my breakfast, and approximately a total of £5 I've spent in Costa on my breakfast. So let's head towards the second plan of our morning schedule. So the next plan is to visit the West Berkshire Museum. So it's a museum in Newbury, and the good thing is that it's free of cost, so definitely I won't have to spend any penny in the museum. So I'm just heading towards the museum now, and trust me, I've been living in Newbury since a year now, but I've never visited this museum. But yes, thanks to ChatGPT, I will be visiting it now. It's very silent inside the museum. I cannot see anyone, but yeah, let's explore. This is very scary. I just got scared looking at the whole structure. So it's mentioned that the punishment during the 1700 was very harsh, and over 200 different type of crimes, the punishment was the death penalty. So I just loved the museum. It was very interesting. And now let's go towards the third plan of our morning schedule, which is taking a leisurely stroll across the Kennett Canal. So the water has leveled up to pass the boat, and you can see we have tourists. Perfect breeze, beautiful surroundings, and plus your favorite song. Now I'm just enjoying the scenic view as per ChatGPT. So guys, it's afternoon, and let's head towards our first plan for the afternoon schedule. So basically it's just grabbing a lunch from any of the shops. So it's very hot, extremely, I'll not say extremely, but yeah, it's very hot, and I was not feeling like to have anything for lunch. I think I'm almost full with that toast and butter that I had in the morning. So I've just got this dessert because I'm a fan of desserts, and this costed me £3.65. So guys, let's head towards the second schedule of our afternoon, which is at the Northcroft Leisure Centre, where they offer swimming and gym. Definitely I won't go for gym and swimming at this point of time, so I'm just thinking to go for a different kind of activity, which is a painting activity, and I just have to inquire about it if I'll get a slot. So yeah, let's try that as well. So I just have to select one of the items from here which I will be painting, and that would be the exact price that I need to pay. So let's select.
So this background here, that is
It's been more than a decade that I have painted anything, and this is what I probably know, making flowers. So this is what I'm doing. So I just leave this in the shop itself where they will glaze and fire it, and then after a week I can collect. So I had a lovely experience painting it, and a total of 9.99 pounds. I have spent approx 10 pounds. So I've reached Victoria Park. I'll sit for a while. Probably it's a sunny day. So yeah, I'll just sit and relax. That is what ChatGPT asked me to do. So it's almost evening, and let's head towards our final schedule, which is the evening one, and probably I'll just swap the plans 1 and 2. So I'll just cover a plan 2, which is the corn exchange, and post that I'll just have my dinner. So dinner was on the plan 1, but yeah, let's cover plan 2 first. So I just inquired in the help desk. So there is this event which is swap shop happening in Corn Exchange, and luckily I was aware about it. So I have got the clothes with me. So what you have to do is there will be swap basically. So you need to donate your old clothes, and then you can get a different one or a new one. So let's try that out. It's first time I'll be trying this. So let's go ahead. Where do I need to donate the clothes?
It's in there, and then fill your bag up with whatever you want. Yes, please.
Okay.
Empty them in. Thank you, darling.
Yeah, thank you. So I've donated my clothes, and you can take whatever you want. So let's try that out. So I've just got those 2 items, and I think it was good. So I'll just try it out. Once I reach back home, probably I'll give a wash, and then I'll try it out. So let's see how it goes. So the sun will set probably by 9:45 or 10, and what I'm thinking is to get my dinner packed from the Balti House or Balti Spice. I think that is what ChatGPT mentioned. So now I'm just heading towards that, and I'll have the dinner at home itself. Meanwhile, after I get my dinner packed, I'll take a stroll in the Newbury Town Centre, and also I have to go back home, right? I'm not taking any cab or anything, because definitely it's a walking distance. So we'll complete our 3rd point as well from the evening schedule. So I just checked, Balti Spice is closed, so probably I just have to look for another Indian restaurant. So unfortunately they couldn't give me a proper receipt, but yeah, this is what I've got: the pulao rice naan worth of 5.60 pounds, and I'll just have it once I reach home. So guys, now I'm finally back at my home, and I'm all tired. You can just look at my face and everything. But yes, I think it was a pretty good day. If it was not ChatGPT, I would have never imagined or thought to go to the museum or explore that painting shop or corn exchange or swap shopping that I did. So I think it was just all too good for me. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. And now I'll just have my dinner in a couple of hours, and I'll just wrap up for the day. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and subscribe definitely, because there will be more such sort of videos about travel, the UK lifestyle and all sort of activities. Okay, so please do subscribe to my channel, and yes, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.